Hi, Andy Raymeyer, personal injury attorney here in State College, back to answer another question that we frequently get from folks that reach out to us. I have limited tort, what does that mean on my auto insurance policy? Well, limited tort in Pennsylvania means that in exchange for a reduced payment on your premium, you are waiving your right to pursue an at-fault driver for any non-economic damages. That means that you are waiving the ability to pursue any damages related to your pain, your suffering, your mental stress or anxiety, any embarrassment you may have, any impact on the quality of your life, and any sort of inconvenience that you may have. Certainly it's inconvenient to be in a car crash. I don't know why when we go to the doctors, they know how tall we are, they know how much we weigh, but they need to take our height and weight before they look at our leg or our back or our neck every single time. That's inconvenient. And when folks are injured, more often than not, there's a significant impact on the quality of their life. So the majority of your damages in any motor vehicle accident usually involve what I call those human losses. The pain, the suffering, the inability to play with your son or engage with your wife or husband, to go to work, to do the things that you enjoy doing, fishing, hiking, biking, working out, skiing, all those things that make us who we are. You have given up your right for a very small amount of money to pursue those damages. The only damages when you have limited tort typically that you can pursue are damages that are related to your economic losses. So those would be out-of-pocket medical expenses and lost wages. More often than not, folks have insurance coverage for their medical bills and their lost wages through their own auto insurance policy. So most of the time, there is not a claim to pursue if you have elected a limited tort policy on your auto insurance. There are exceptions to limited tort. The one that we see most often that would allow you to pursue full damages for your injury is if you've suffered a quote-unquote serious impairment of a bodily function. It's a whole bunch of legalese that essentially says, did you suffer a serious injury and was there some permanency to your injury? If both of those things can be established, you now qualify for full tort coverage, which means that you can pursue the at-fault party and their insurance company for the full scope of your damages, your pain, your suffering, and most important, the impact on the quality of your life. In a situation like that, you are more often than not going to need a lawyer. So if you've been seriously injured in a car accident and you have limited tort elected on your insurance policy, or if you don't know, by all means reach out to Raymeyer & Out. I'd be happy to review your insurance policy with you, answer any questions you may have, and look further into whether or not there is a pathway to get around the limited tort exclusion in your insurance policy.